I pay for my thrills, but they still, oh, they still.
Speechless.
What the hell? That thing's playing up.
I got it. No, I got it in the end. I've just ran it. Oh. Bit of violence. Oh. Well, I don't think you'll be using that toy again, mate. Just saying.
Oh no, there's still lots, many miles left.
Oh.
Yes, it is I, Sir Beans, Duke of Laruski, here to bring you a message of hope, a glimmer of decency, and above all, a smile upon your face. What does this switch do, you might ask? I'm not sure. Let's try it. And here's another. And the knob, the lever. Whoa, that will make you a believer, guys. Just give me a chance. There's always more than one way to do something. And if you believe in yourself hard enough, you can do truly amazing things. Your neighbors might not approve. Your family members may disown you. But you may save precious hours of the day to do even more wonderful tasks. Myself, I have been doing many tasks to gain the much needed equipment, technology, and above all, hope for better content. Why the hell am I using Windows 7? Because it's all I fucking got. It doesn't seem like it's a big deal. But damn it if I don't have a good computer. I'm struggling in the cesspool. By myself. Trying to claw my way out. Into the sunset. So don't give up yet. Just believe that I'll get something that will actually edit my videos worth a shit. And now, a word from our sponsor. This edition of Drone Alone is brought to you by Windex brand glass cleaner, ass cleaner. Smooth. Streak free, baby.